honors and speaker for the 30th Police Community Relations Month celebration. The theme sa bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka, resonates deeply within me. And I believe it speaks to the very heart of our nation's future. It resonates deeply because it reflects a fundamental shift in the relationship between the police and the community. Napaka-importante po na tayo ay mayroong magandang relationship as police officers to our community. And as early as now, as your PSBRC, kailangan maisapuso nyo na ito. Kasi sa amin na medyo matagal na sa serbisyo, naisapuso na namin ito at isasapuso pa rin namin ito until we retire. It is not just a slogan or it is not just a theme for our celebration now. It is actually a vision of transformed Philippines where security is a shared responsibility. We could not do it alone. Our duties and responsibilities in maintaining the peace and order in the community is not solely our responsibility. We need the active support of the community for that. 30 years of bridging the gap between the police force and the community. 30 years of building the trust, fostering the understanding, and working hand in hand to create a safer and more peaceful neighborhoods. Pinapatunayan ng di natitinag na dedikasyon ng ating mga pulis at aktibong pakikilahok ng mga mamamayan ang ating sama-samang pagsusumikap tungo sa isang ligtas at maayos na komunidad. The milestone is a testament to the unwavering commitment of us police officers and the active participation of the people in the community. Ang relasyon ng mga pulis sa community ay hindi lamang isang konsepto. This is not just a concept. Ito ay isang buhay na ugnayan. It is a relationship built on mutual respect, open communication, and shared responsibility. Ang Police Community Relations or ang PCR ay higit pa sa simpleng pakikipag-ugnayan, ito ay isang pakikipagtulungan. It's about recognizing that keeping our community safe is not just the job of the police. Hindi lang natin yon trabaho. It is everyone's responsibility. Hindi lang sa pulis ang responsibilidad ng kaligtasan ng publiko. Would you agree with that? No? Hindi lang sa pulis ang responsibilidad ng kaligtasan ng publiko. It is a collective effort. It is a shared commitment. Ibig sabihin, bawat isa sa atin, mula sa mga bata hanggang sa mga matatanda na nasa community, may mahalagang papel sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan at kaayusan ng ating komunidad. This means that the active participation should come from the community and from the police itself. People in the community, remember this, our dear PSBRC students. People in the community na magre-report ng mga suspicious activities. People in the community who will be vigilant sa kanilang mga neighborhood. Napaka-importante yun. Malaking tulong iyon sa pagtupad natin sa ating tungkulin sa pag-protect sa mga tao sa community. It also means that our community supports our police officers and understands their challenges and working with them to build a stronger and safer community. Kapag nagtulungan tayo together with these people in the community, magiging epektibo ang pag-iwas ng krimen at pagpapanatili ng kaayusan. And that is a fact.